Okay, so we're here in Riga, Latvia, and the reason I'm here is because I'm working with Honor on their new release of their new phone, the Honor 600. And the reason we're here is because there is an incredible use of this phone with AI integration to bring images to life. And that is especially interesting for autistic individuals. That's why I'm here. We'll show you exactly what we're doing. It's going to be really fun.
This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.
This workshop here today, run by this organization, they're taking stuffies and they're cutting them open, taking all the fluff from the inside, and then they're making another thing, which is really cool.
The fruit in just one moment. Right now. Right now? Can you give me 1 minute? Yes. He's out. Thanks.
Because it's kind of destroying something to create something else, but it gives a kinesthetic, tactile learning environment, which is really good, especially for people on the spectrum. And it's very busy. It's very friendly, but it's also really calming for the kids because they're having a good time, which I really like. So this is the workshop run here by the organization. And now we're going to find some fruit. So, okay, let's find the fruit.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah.
Okay, so we had a chance to kind of sit down with Albert, who's basically the star of the show, and it was really good. We got to sit down and sort the cards out with Albert, which is basically sorting out different genre groups of cards. But the cool thing was, it was so nice to talk to Albert because he is on the autism spectrum on a different side than I am, which I find just quite fascinating that there's obviously having a spectrum, we have different needs and different abilities. Albert's talent is to draw and draw different things. And as you can see in some of the footage, that Albert is using the Honor technology, the AI technology, to draw pictures and let them come to life. Similar to how we did with taking a picture of a set of toys and then making those toys come to life. And this is why this phone is so interesting, because it's not just fun, but it's an insight into the imagination and the world of many autistic kids like Albert who are trying to express themselves and show how vivid our thoughts and mind is, but using technology to actually bridge that gap. This is why this phone is so important and actually pretty revolutionary. And I think it's going to take flight, because one of the things I've noticed is that for many years, we've seen technology moving forward to help people. The vision of AI, which is like Be My Eyes, which helps people who are partially sighted or have no sight to get around. Now it's our time for autistic individuals to have this type of technology to help encourage our creativity and move us forward, because creativity is the gateway window to understanding autistic minds. And the way we share it is start using things like AI to create imagery, videos, all of that creative stuff. So I think it's amazing and it's a huge step forward. So for those of you who want to know a bit more tech about this phone specifically, it absolutely packs a punch. It has a 200 MP ultra clear night camera, which is outstanding. The camera on this thing is awesome, and we used it all day and I loved it. It has a 7,000 milliamp hour battery life, which means that this thing just goes all day. I used it all day and on a plane and it still didn't run out. And it has ultra bright 6.57-inch display, 8,000 nits, 120 hertz. So basically this screen is absolutely amazing. It feels so good in your hand. It's light and it's very user friendly, but also just keeps going and going. This phone is incredible. Not to mention the image to video AI capabilities, which is literally groundbreaking and the reason for this video. So for me, basically it's bringing back the ideas of I had when I was a kid, like hoping and praying that I had access to this type of technology when I was trying to express myself. And it's almost like kind of, I get a sad feeling thinking, oh my goodness, I wish I had that. But then I get a really happy feeling thinking, wow, the future for these kids on the spectrum is going to be awesome. And thanks to AI technology and the improvements of technology from this company, I'm super excited about it.